So I just picked up these guys. Every single one is pretty fucked up, but $300 for all four. Can't really complain. Definitely not a bad price. I mean, one of them had a bend. I think it was this one. Yeah, I just got it repaired right there. You can see where they had to like push it back. So I'm in them like $380 for some Enkeis, and they're pretty damn light. I'm gonna weigh them right now for you. Get my handy dandy scale. All right. So you got 15.3 pounds. Definitely not bad. So I'm gonna have these thrown on so I can stop driving around on stocks, which is very disappointing to look at. So I'll update, make another video or just a post on my page for you guys to see what these look like. How you guys doing? So I'm gonna start making little videos like this every now and then. So let me know how you guys like these videos. I have like a dog bone mount coming and stuff like that I can do an installation video for, stuff like that, show my current setup, show how I set my water meth up, all this kind of stuff. So let me know if you guys are interested in that kind of thing. I can start making some videos here and then, but want to make sure you guys would actually be interested in something like that. So let me know, and we'll go from there. Alright guys.